So we have today launched two devices. One is POCO C75 5G, which is the most affordable 5G phone in the market, and then we have launched M7 Pro 5G, I think, which is a power-packed entertainment device with 6.6 inches OLED display, 2100 nits peak brightness, largest aperture in the segment, and I think in both the segment under 15K and under 8K, we have created kind of a disruption in the entire market. As I mentioned in my PPT also, that we have 4 series, C series and M series catered to budget segment and lower budget segment, and then we have X series and F series where we have performance oriented series and a flagship level killer series. So I think in near future you will see also launches of X and F series where we are basically upping the game by a notch and focusing on a performance oriented, high performance oriented devices, so that because the overall ASP of the market is increasing and the premiumization is happening, especially for the next year. Obviously X series will be a key focus area for us from a premiumization point of view. So I think AI is a buzzword which has been used and abused equally. I think all the brands are from a random feature point of view telling that this is an AI feature, but we are making significant investment in AI features and we are providing a specific use cases, especially for M7 Pro. We have given you 4 AI features: zoom, automatic 0.8x zoom, AI night mode, AI sky mode, AI eraser, right? All these are specific to camera. Moving forward, you will see a lot more AI features specific to other areas. So we are putting a lot of R&D investment in order to enhance the phone. So we are not only playing the specs game, but also the overall experience of the devices to the consumers. That's a focus area for us. So next year, I think we are entering the next year with a lot of excitement. Recently, we launched 2 devices, C75 and M7 Pro today. Moving on, you will see a lot of exciting new devices coming on in next year. So I think the overall next year looks very promising for us.